Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to just show you how I dress up and kind of make our little coffee bar area a little festive for Halloween. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then hit the notification bell so you know the next time that I upload a video. I hope you enjoy this, and thank you for watching. So here's the coffee bar. Kind of like looking pretty bad. It's what's left kind of from summer. I've neglected it a bit lately. I had little decorative pieces. We had some straws that were really cute, and then I had these drink umbrellas, and we had it all really fun and festive for summer, but it needs to be updated for Halloween. It's long overdue, and so I picked up some things. I'm not going to use all of this, but when I would see something that looked fun for Halloween, I just picked it up. So I'm just gonna get started. So if you're interested in making one of these portable little coffee bars for yourself, then I will link that video above.